4 handles can work at same time. 2 channels control, AB, and each channel with 2 handles. 4 handle plug exactly the same can random plug in. One treatment lasts for 30 to 45 minutes. 2 days internal is between 12 treatments as a session muscle changed after 2 to 3 sessions. IMT combine EMS make more intense muscle contraction. To black is EMS pad, the middle part is HIEMT. HIEMT for postpartum repair.